In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Google Cloud payment method. Whether you're updating your credit card or switching to a different payment option, these steps will make the process quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Cloud account and navigate to the billing section. This is where all your financial settings and transactions are managed. To find this, look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll notice a section labeled Billing. Click on that, and it will take you to the main page for managing your billing accounts. Once you're in the billing section, the next step is to select the billing account you wish to update. If you have multiple billing accounts, make sure you choose the correct one associated with the project or service you're working on. This step ensures that any changes you make will apply to the right account, preventing any mix-ups or disruptions in your services. With your billing account selected, the next destination is the Payment Methods tab. This is the section where you can view all the payment options linked to your account. It's a good idea to review the listed methods periodically to ensure everything is up to date, especially if you've recently changed cards or banking details. Now, to actually change your payment method, you have two options. If you're adding a new payment method, click on Add Payment Method. This will prompt you to enter the details of your new credit card, debit card, or bank account. Make sure you double check the information you input here to avoid any future billing issues. On the other hand, if you're simply updating an existing payment method, look for the Edit option next to the payment method you wish to modify. Clicking this will allow you to adjust details such as expiration dates or billing addresses. After you've added or edited your payment information, the final step is to save your changes. This might seem obvious, but it's a crucial step. If you forget to save, all the adjustments you made will be lost and you'll have to start over. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top right of the page, and make sure to click it. This will ensure all your changes are applied and your new payment method is active. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Google Cloud payment method. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date is essential to avoid any interruptions in service. If you ever need to update your details again, you can follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.